Good morning, first grade. I just wanted to say good morning and hope you're doing great this Tuesday. Um, I would like to do a joke of the day for you. Okay? Happy Tuesday, my little friends. I miss you so much. I would like to do a joke for you today, and I want you to type what you think the answer is on our stream where this video is. And then tomorrow morning, I will get on here and give you the answer, see if anybody got it right. Okay, my joke for today, Tuesday's joke, is which animal makes the best pet? I wonder if you can guess that. I'll be back tomorrow morning with your answer. Type in what you think it is. Okay, have a great day. Don't forget to go to Google Classroom and do your work. I'm checking up on you. Love you guys.